Hello friends, my name is Drishti. I study in 6th class in Emax International School. Today's my topic is pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Pronouns are used to avoid repeating the same nouns over and over again. If we didn't have pronouns, we would have to repeat a whole lot of nouns. It's called a pronoun. Types of pronouns. First is personal pronoun. For example, I, me, you, he, she, we, it, they, etc. Next is demonstrative pronouns. For example, this, that, these, those. Next is possessive pronouns. For example, mine, yours, his, her, my, our, its, their, etc. Next is interrogative pronouns. For example, who, what, which, whom, etc. Next is reflexive pronouns. For example, myself, yourself, ourself, itself, themselves, himself, himself, herself, etc. Next is reciprocal pronouns. For example, each, other, one another, etc. Next is identifying pronouns. For example, another, much, anything, nobody, few, such, one, all, some, etc. Next is relative pronouns. For example, who, whom, which, whoever, whomever, whichever, etc. Thank you friends. Have a good day.